What we do here is go back.
What's going on, guys? Alex here, Nickens Lawn and Landscape. We do primarily landscaping. We do some lawn care too. We do a little bit of everything. We do some vlogs, all kinds of good stuff. So if you're in the lawn care, landscaping industry, anything in the green industry really, our channel should probably be beneficial to you. You can check us out on Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube at Nickens Lawn and Landscape.
Sir. Mr. Arians,
that guy lost his phone over there.
What demo are you thinking about getting?
For myself, I think I might do the rapid track.
Okay.
The snowblower.
Okay.
You know, kind of in the northern states. It's a little cold, lots of snow. But if I had to pick a mower, 460 here, I'd seed all day.
Yep.
Gotta do it.
Yep. What do y'all guys want to get for y'all's demos?
So for this year's demo, last year we got the 460. This year we're looking at the 452. Basically same amount of power, just smaller deck size. We normally run mostly on residential. We also have a couple commercial, but really don't need too big of a deck size. So I think we're shooting for the 52, man.
The 4, because y'all get the 4 Series is a bigger, powerful engine. Do y'all need that to cut the grass down here in Florida, or is that just a preference?
That's just a preference. You really don't need that. That's definitely a preference. I mean, why not have the biggest and the best, you know?
Yeah.
So, most definitely.
Cool. What's up?
What's up, dude?
What are you getting to demo this year?
52 Pro Stance, hopefully. I know we gave 2 options. The other one was the ProTurn ZX, probably a 52-inch, so I don't know which one they'll end up giving me.
Okay.
I want the 52 Pro Stance because I'll fit it on my trailer better with my 272Z.
Smaller footprint.
Yeah, and I can put it sideways as well.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm getting a Pro Stance. You got a standard last year, didn't you?
Yeah, I got the 36, and I thought that was going to be a good unit for me, and you know, it turned out it wasn't. It didn't fit through the gates. I was the same issue I had with the 34 Compact Pro, which is the reason I sold that to upgrade it to the 272. Now I can mow multiple acres at a time. Faster than the 460s now. Yeah. 13 miles an hour.
And you got a zero turn, a new Gravely zero turn since last year too, right?
No, I haven't bought anything else.
No, what's the new
Well, that
more?
one's a used one.
Well, I mean, it's new to you.
I've worked on it all fall, getting it ready for the season.
Yeah.
The only thing that needs to get done as soon as I get home, when I get a chance, is the hydro oil. But after that thing's ready to cut.
JC.
What's up, Seth?
What are you getting to demo?
For demoing this year?
Yeah.
Or just right now?
Well, I mean, like, what would you want to take home, like, for them to demo?
Me right now, so currently I have that mower right there, the Pro Stance 52. That's my go-to mower. I'm always been a big stand-out mower kind of guy. And then I also have a 460, 16 zero turn. So right now I'm kind of in the market for a smaller deck mower, anywhere from like the 32 to 34. Gravely currently has a 34-inch. Just running around here somewhere. So for me, it'd be the compact 34.
Okay.
Sure. I don't know if you
have a little bit. You have a lot of small gate properties.
We don't have a ton, but the ones that we do have, they take a long time. And my whole idea is to hopefully get rid of the push mower at some point. But we'll see. So yeah, that mower right there is what I'm looking for.
You're not gonna get that, and I know you're not gonna get that at one.
What mower are you thinking about demoing?
I'm going to demo the Pro Stance stand-on because I've never personally used or owned one. So this will be my first ever stand-on mower I've ever demoed. So we've been thinking about the past couple of years of possibly purchasing one to kind of see how it would work in our field that we do. Especially in the tight corners compared to the zero turns that we use. So something new, so we're gonna give it a shot.
Because you have a walker. You have more than one walker.
I have two walkers. I got the T25i and the B23i, and then I have a Hustler 60-inch X1, which is way too big.
Yeah.
So that's why you stand on with a little bit more of a smaller footprint, give it a shot, and see how that does, and kind of see where it stands with the Hustler or the walker mowers. So.
All right.
Thanks, guys.
The busiest man in the lawn care business. How you doing, my man? Blake
Doing
from
well.
It's His Turf.
That's right.
What brand mowers do you run?
I've ran Gravely for 11 years.
Okay.
So, got one mower that's got 4,000 hours on it.
Wow.
I actually did a video. I got all my equipment from my original setup and put it together, so I showed them to it. So I ran Gravely for 11 years, and I run Exmark Navigators and Exmark push mowers.
And so, you do a lot of hardscapes or a lot of turf? Which ones?
Right, so yeah, I do a little bit of both, but we do, this year, we're really specializing in just hardscapes and in lawn care. So we kind of got rid of commercial concrete, commercial landscaping, and we're just focusing really on those two avenues.
Yeah, I did one patio for somebody's grill, and it was the worst patio ever, so I'm just sticking to cutting grass.
So, yeah, no, it's a lot of fun. Last year we did about $500,000 in hardscapes.
Yeah.
And I got into the commercial concrete. I didn't really like that. That wasn't for me. And so then I got into the custom concrete carving. And it's a little unique. It's not your typical hardscape. So it's a lot of fun.
All right, appreciate it. Check them out.
Absolutely. Thank you.
Mr. Shane,
Yes, sir.
what demo are you thinking about getting this year?
Well, I was looking at getting the 60-inch Pro Stance.
Okay.
But,
you still are, even though you're going to be cutting back on your commercial stuff, you still got a lot of big properties?
I don't have a lot of big properties, no. I just have, I got a couple that I'll always keep. Good customers, good pay, that kind of stuff. Not too far away. So, yeah, I just wanted to try it out, you know. Since I already got a couple 52s and a 36 and a 72, I thought, well, why not try out a 60?
Yeah. Cool. Hey. What are you thinking about demoing?
I'm actually doing a video on this right now. I'm actually thinking about demoing the Gravely ProTurn 260.
260.
I think the 460, I don't know if I've ever said this in my life, could be a little more than I need, but at the same time, that extra speed. But yeah, just being able to try to pick up some of these bigger properties and make more money faster.
Yeah.
I love my standards, but I'm also kind of a big guy and I may love sitting down too. I'm just saying.
What's going on? This is the second Nickens and Nickens and Nickens.
Yes, sir.
So what do y'all mostly run?
Mowers.
I mean like brand.
Brands, we have Ferris Walk Behind, the, what is it, F35, FW35. Then we got a Z2. And we just bought a brand new Skag Zero Turn this fall with the bagging system on it.
Okay. And what do you like using the most, or what do y'all think y'all use the most?
If the terrain was perfect, the Z2.
The Z2.
Yeah. I would say cut quality and speed, that's definitely the best.
Cool. We got Alex Nickens here. What demo are you thinking about getting?
We are getting the Gravely JSV 6000, I think, and our plans behind that, or our thought process behind that, is that it has a snowplow on it. We do a lot of big snow removal, have a lot of sidewalks, spend a lot of time on sidewalks. So we're going to utilize this guy as much as we can in the summer, but its main goal is probably going to be the wintertime, pushing some sidewalks.
Nice. Mr. Brown, how you doing?
Good.
What are you getting for demo this year?
Pro Stance 52 right over there on the hill.
That's what you got last year?
No, I had the 460 last year.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah, okay.
So you prefer zero turns, right?
No, standards for sure.
Oh, that's right. You got because y'all have that set up with like 3 standards, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Because you were talking about last year, you were trying to get a bigger trailer to fit all your standards on.
Yeah. So basically, what we're doing is standards all sideways on the trailer. I mean, it makes sense for us because we can maximize what what goes out on the job. And if we're carrying a 0-turn, we can only get that 0-turn and one other mower on there. So it kind of limits us a little bit on as far as potential.
Okay. All right, Mr. Frost.
What's going on?
What do you plan on testing out today?
I'm going to test a little bit of everything because of the fact that I've never been on any of them.
What do you usually run standards, right?
Yeah, all I've ran is standards, never ran a sit down, and don't tell anybody, but all I've used is skag.
I think they know. Yeah, but one thing I think you should try is the 460. The 460 is like the top of the line.
Right.
That thing is like driving a recliner with mower blades.
That's what I'm talking
Still waiting on the standard. I think I'll go hop on it now. Give me some footage. Mr. Brown.
Yep.
Could you do me the honors?
Yep.
Where are we going? I'll try this that way.
Yep.
Don't laugh if I run into something. All right. You ready? Fire it up. We'll fire it up.
Yeah, this one gets used everywhere.
Alright, so I think I'm gonna get on this ProTurn Z52. This is essentially the replacement to my ProTurn 52. So
Come on.